let's see if she walks to you. Or Becky. Ready? Nope. Nope. Stand up straight. Kenzie. Nope.
Not into it.
Booger.
Mackenzie, can you walk to me? Come here. Yay!
Yay! Ready? Stand up. You should like give her a nummy.
She's cupping her hand. Oh yeah, Nummy. Nummy will do it.
Ready? She goes all crawl. Okay, ready? Walk. You gotta walk. Can't walk on the blankie. Okay, go. Go.
Look at all those teeth.
Don't show them to her till she does it. Come here. No, you didn't walk. You didn't walk, you cheater. Good girl.
You get one?
Kenzie, here. Come here. Come here. You want one? Don't crawl, you gotta walk. Yay! Ready?
Yay!
We are in so much trouble.
Come here. Come on. Got one for you.
Now what happens if she gets up and starts walking tomorrow when Amanda comes to pick her up?
Oh, try again.
Luckily Amanda doesn't visit my website, so she'll never see this.
Come on. Got this? Oh. Ready? Got this? Yay!
Good doggy. Pat her on the head.
You ready?
Alright, I'm ending it.